What's going on, guys? I hope everyone is good, having a fantastic day. Excuse the noise, I'm actually playing golf at the moment in Morocco, in Marrakesh, and for some reason they built this golf course right next to an airport. Who knows why, who knows why. Yeah, I wanted to post this video, guys, because if you follow me on Instagram, I'll put the post up there. You noticed I had a Q&A yesterday, right, asking you guys to basically just fire over a load of questions. And one question was, has your FBA income, so profit on your FBA turnover, has it covered the cost of your trip over to Morocco? Obviously, you guys are aware, once you've put the front end work in, and it's, you know, hard work to get a business like this up and running, you can enjoy more of the passive nature of what sort of comes after that, right? Which is what I'm doing now. And I wanted to give you guys a breakdown of and you know, if we were to look at my margins for FBA, would I have had enough to pay for this trip? Has it covered the cost? So you know, it's obviously FBA related channel, so I'm gonna put this up. I haven't shared things with you guys for a little bit, I suppose. So my turnover since I arrived, so I arrived on Monday, so I've been here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today is Thursday, halfway through the day. It's about 2 o'clock. My revenue, my sales at the moment are on 2283 from Monday until midday Thursday. I'll put a picture up of my app for you guys to check that out. Now, it is only midday, and if we base it on the last few days, looking to do about another 400 today, so that will bring it up to 2683 in sales for the first 4 days of the week. Now that's sales, guys. It's not profit. You see a lot of people posting on YouTube not talking about profit margins, and it's important that we understand that those are just sales figures, right? You could be making no profit on that amount. My profit margin after PPC is 40%, bang smack on 40. So my profit on that amount, assuming we get another £400 of sales today, which we will by midnight, is £1,073. So since flying out here on, you know, early hours of Monday morning, we've made over a K in profit. And that's pretty crazy, right? And the reason I share it with you guys isn't to it's not to brag, it's not to boast, it's about inspiring you guys and showing you what's possible if you work really hard at something and, you know, apply skills that you've learned along the way. But what I want to hone in on, guys, is obviously the difference between sales and profit. So I could easily put a post up and not mention profit, but it's very important that you do. Now, profit is calculated from your overall sales or turnover. You have to deduct all your fees, got referral fees, Amazon FBA fees, storage fees, PPC costs. I've got other videos, numerous videos that break down the fees. But what was left over by the end, by midnight tonight, will be £1,073, give or take a couple of pounds either way. So that's pretty crazy, right? The fact that you can travel out somewhere like Morocco and still generate that income passively through FBA is crazy. And, you know, hence why, you know, I created the YouTube channel to help people and put loads of free content out there and show you guys what I'm doing and share a little bit of my life with you, I suppose, in the hope to inspire and motivate you. And if we look at the cost of this trip, guys, I paid £180 for flights. My accommodation was £300, and that's like for a 5-star resort out here. It's not very expensive at all inclusive. So that's like £480 for flight and accommodation for 5 nights. So, you know, the income generated through FBA has covered the cost of that, plus another 600 odd pounds on top. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. Someone asked me on Instagram, I thought I'd put it up on YouTube. It's good for me to share with you guys how my business is performing as well, right? Not just showing results from students of the academy who are doing really well. It's good for me to be transparent with you and show you how I'm getting on too. You know, guys, as well as just being more productive, you know, I've got a higher output level when I'm somewhere like this. I'm calm, I'm relaxed, and I'm very, very focused when I'm somewhere like this. It also gives you time to, you know, self-reflection time. You actually look at what you're doing and look for ways to improve. I've been doing that a lot over the last few days. You know, you've got a lot of time to think, when you're somewhere like this, it's just you and your thoughts, you know, your mind does race, and you think about, what am I doing and how can I make it better? How can I improve what I'm doing? How can I help others more? How can I give more, for example, to students? And I've come up with a few ideas over the last few days, which I am going to be revealing on my Instagram as we move forward into February. But it's some big news for students, and just, yeah, it's been amazing to just be on my own, have some clarity, and you know, enjoy being able to work from my laptop. You know, the laptop lifestyle anywhere you want. So yeah, I mean, it's been an awesome trip so far. I've got another couple of days here before flying back to the UK. So I'm actually on the golf course today. Didn't bring any balls with me, so I had to buy balls, and they were £5 a ball, and I've already lost 2 of the 3. I've got like 6 holes left to go. So I don't know what's going to happen. It might have to cut this golf session short. I'm in the process of basically learning how to play golf. I learned a lot over the summer last year, playing with a friend and having lessons, but you know, we're practicing a lot more now. I am practicing a lot more now to prepare for summer, guys. Also, guys, an interview will be going live on Sunday or Monday of this week. I'm interviewing one of my students who's in the 10K Elites Club, who surpassed his first 10K on Amazon. We're going to be breaking down his figures, looking at what his profits were, looking at how he did it. It's with a single product. He's now generating 10K per month in revenue, with a 30 to 35% margin. So, you know, £3,500 per month in profit. We'll be breaking that down in the video. You can hear it from him. He can tell you how he's getting on. And you know, we'll look at the strategies that we use to get that product sourced, launched, costed, and to the point that it's at today. So look forward to that interview. It's going to be a big one on the channel.